Are you ready to unlock a new life in Australia? Discover how your locksmith skills can open doors to endless opportunities. Australia's robust economy and high demand for trades make it an ideal destination for skilled locksmiths. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to migrate and thrive as a locksmith in Australia. First, ensure you complete a skills assessment through the relevant Australian authority to validate your locksmith qualifications. Explore different visa pathways such as skilled migration visas to find the best fit for your circumstances. Demonstrate your English language skills through an approved test, as it is a requirement for many visa applications. Familiarize yourself with the licensing regulations for locksmiths in the specific Australian state or territory where you plan to work. Investigate the job market and demand for locksmiths in Australia to identify potential employment opportunities. Build connections within the Australian locksmith community or industry to improve job prospects and support during your migration. Understanding the various visa options available to you is crucial for a successful migration journey. Visa options tailored for locksmiths include the Skilled Independent Visa, Skilled Nominated Visa, and Employer Nomination Scheme. Your work experience, qualifications, and English proficiency are vital in showcasing your skills as a locksmith. Provide documentation such as trade qualifications, work references, and evidence of your English language proficiency. The skills assessment process ensures that your qualifications and experience meet Australian standards. Required qualifications typically include a Certificate 3 in locksmithing or equivalent. Skills assessments involve providing proof of employment, qualifications, and references from previous employers. Submit your documentation to an assessing authority to review your application and assess if your skills meet Australian standards. Tailor your resume to Australian standards and research local locksmithing regulations to enhance your job search. Be open to starting in entry-level positions and stay updated with industry news to improve your job prospects. Networking can open many doors for you. Attend local trade shows, workshops, and community events. Leverage online job portals like Seek, Indeed, and LinkedIn to find locksmith positions in Australia. Create a robust profile that highlights your skills and experience to attract attention from potential employers. Consider the financial implications of migration, including visa applications, travel, housing, and daily living expenses. Understanding the local demand for locksmiths in Australia is important for your migration success. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne show a positive trend in the need for skilled locksmiths due to growing populations. Prepare for your move by creating a timeline that encompasses everything from applying for a visa to arranging your travel. Ensure you have key documents like your visa, professional qualifications, resume, and references from previous employers. Finding suitable accommodation and integrating into a new community are essential steps in settling into Australia. Adapting to the local work environment and embracing differences in work practices will enhance your career opportunities. There's a strong emphasis on teamwork, collaboration, and an informal communication style in Australian workplaces. Engage in professional development opportunities like workshops and online courses to advance your skills. Unlock your future in Australia with diligence and the right steps, paving the way for a rewarding career as a locksmith.